I got a package today, and let's check it out. What goodies is inside this package from Urban Gems, and I love this site. I know right now they're 50% off. They still do have some more deals on their website right now, so go ahead and check them out. I have the links below. They are I believe they're moving. They're having a moving sale, so that's why everything's on sale right now. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out what's in this package of Crafty Love. She did leave a card in there for me. Beautiful card. She did give me some free gifts. Thank you for the card. She is on YouTube. She messaged me before about this was her site, and I want to say hello, girl. But yes, love the site. So she did give me a thank you card for putting an order, and I'm about to put another order in there soon. She did give me some doodads. Oh, I love this color. That is some pretty color. Let me show you that one. And then she also gifted me this. Oh, this is nice. What color these were? Alcohol. These are resin embellishments. Love, love, love. Thank you. So, I want to show you this package of goodness right here. This right here is, I believe the regular price is $20, and it's half off. So you pay $10. You get a lot of stuff in this little package. So let's go ahead and look at this one. This package is amazing. Look at that. So the first one here is like a green, and this is all sequence, premium sequence. Look at that. So you got the green one with this one actually comes with, I think I see some stars. Beautiful. So that's the first one. Next one I have here. Oh, this is beautiful too. Another stars, and this is orange, black, and silver. Love it. Another gorgeous one. Look at that one. Different color pinks and some clear in there. Yeah. Love, 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 love. Now, if you don't have a good stash of sequins, this is the time to get it. Oh, I like this one too. It's almost like it reminds me of a Mardi Gras. Look at that one. The green, gold, and like a aqua. Beautiful. Beautiful. And then here goes this one, a red and white. Love it. Oh, this is my favorite. This is my favorite. Gold, like a mint and lavender. Love this one. That's beautiful. Oh, this is another beautiful one. This is a purple blue. It's actually my favorite color, blue. That one. Beautiful mix. Like I said, all of these are $10, so. And then they have an orange one. Look at all that shiny. All that shine. And this one has little leaves with some yellow and gold. Love, love, love. Oh, here goes another pretty one. This reminds me of almost like a candy shop bubblegum or even circus. Look at that. You got the pinks, blues, silvers. You got all kinds of colors. Beautiful. And then another gold one. That lovely. Oh, here's another pretty one. Look at that. Got some blue, some stars in there, silver. Love it. Love, love, love. Look at the range of colors. Beautiful. So the next thing I also did have here, I got some Stickles and some Nuvio Drops. but she still has a few more left. Okay, this one. So I did get the pink one. Yeah. Look at that purple one. Beautiful. And then look at the blue. This blue one. Like I said, all of this is half off at the moment. Then the two Nuvio Drops that I have. I got this blue one. A beautiful blue. And I also got like a greenish color. Lovely. Love, 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 love it all. Love it. Like I said, it says she's moving her site, I believe. So I can't wait if she does get another site up or not. But I can't wait to see that. And yeah, this is an amazing deal right here. And like I said, the sale is still going on. There's still some stuff that you can snag up at 50% off. And it's the best time to get it because, like I said, you're saving. And I'll have all the links below to her shop, so you could go ahead and check out her shop. And yeah, if you go check it out, or if you've seen this shop before, leave a comment below. Let me know what you bought or what deals that you were able to get. Like I said, right now it's 50% off, so go. The sequence mix is worth it right there already. $10 for all of that. But yeah, she is on YouTube. So I'd like to say hello. And I did another order. And I will be doing another one. But yeah, so make sure you like the video. Subscribe if you haven't. And then hit the notification so that you know when I do upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.